I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad spread. Start by cooking and cooling chicken before shredding it finely. Combine shredded chicken with mayonnaise and Greek yogurt for balance. Fold in diced celery, red onion, and a spoon of sweet relish for crunch and sweetness. Season with salt, black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors. Chill for at least 30 minutes so flavors meld and texture firms up. Try simple swaps to match your mood and meals. A teaspoon of curry powder or a tablespoon of Dijon mustard adds savory depth. Fold in halved grapes or diced apple for refreshing sweetness and crunch. Fresh herbs such as dill, parsley, or chives brighten the spread and make it taste homemade. Taste as you go and adjust salt, lemon, or mustard until it suits you perfectly for sandwiches or crackers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers are perfect for packing chicken salad for work or picnics, and they keep lids tight and meals neat. I love how easy they stack and clean, and they save messy spills during travel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Texture is key, so decide if you want silky or chunky chicken salad. Coarsely chop some chicken while shredding the rest for a pleasing bite. Keep the spread in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days, and always smell before serving. For longer storage, freeze individual portions and thaw overnight in the fridge. Re-stir and freshen with a splash of lemon before serving on bread, lettuce, or crackers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.